courses, they are divided into 2 stages. The first stage will be a 9-month course where they will be learning the electronics, the wiring, different components, interconnection. And they will spend a lot of time understanding the code behind it. For example, this one is an Arduino Uno. They will know how to code this one, and then they will understand how to display something on this LCD display. And then they will also try to understand how to use the code. For example, this is a distance sensor, an obstacle sensor, an IR sensor, and multiple other sensors. This, for example, is an accelerometer which we can use to detect its speeds and acceleration. When they move to stage 2, all this learning is applied so that they will try to create a product out of it. What might mean, for example, this is a remote control and this is an RF module. I will plug it into it and then I will be able to drive it using this remote control. But this remote control, for what purpose? Here are these 2 sensors to make this thing clear to you. This is a gas sensor. I'll put this gas sensor here, and then I'll put this temperature and humidity sensor at this place. Now mentally imagine I'm taking this, remotely controlling it at a very hazardous place. Maybe some volcano or something is erupting over there, or some very fire is catching up. I want to make sure that it's safe to go inside that place. So I take this robotics, robot or car or whatever, and I sense this gas sensor and temperature sensor, which takes those readings and come back to me to report that it's safe to go on. So whatever our teaching has a purpose, and that's what the stage 2 is, a prototype building.